I'm Paul, and you're here for another episode of Carpet Cleaning Guys Vlogs. If you watched my previous video, you know I tore the motor to pieces, I guess, by pulling an Allen wrench into my commercial sanitaire. It's at the shop, so pulling out the old reliable Kirby. It's heavy, but it is one of the best vacuums I own. But I'm not talking about the Kirby today. I'm talking about the new Swirly Rotary. That's right. I got the 15-inch Swirly. Here's the ad from Encapstore.com. I'll put a link into the description. If you do happen to be looking to get a new machine, this one is awesome. I'm going to be doing some more videos on it. Today, I did not have my little tabletop tripod, and since it was new to me, I didn't want to use just one hand and try to film. So I took a few brief clips so you could see what I was doing. And here is the Swirly all set up. It does have a really unique, not a twist cord that locks in place. It's got a 50-foot 14 gauge cord with a little push button on the top of the plug. You push the button and that allows it to push together, and then when you let the button off, it locks it. So no more big, heavy, bulky twist style locks on the cord like the Mighty. So this thing, hats off to Damon Williams at the Encapstore, because this, I guess it looks kind of like a hawk. It may be a hawk actually, but it's a Swirly made custom built for the Encapstore. And you can see it's got custom logos on it for me, WP for Washington Pro. It's got the big wheels and they are nice. Up and down stairs, no problem. It does have that chrome around the surface, or the bottom of the plate there, you can see. It has a Malish pad driver. This is a 15-inch. It has a riser already on it, so that lifts it up. It does have the 2.5 gallon tank shower feed, and the one thing about the shower feed is it has, oh gosh, probably a 3/4 inch hose, clear hose, which is cool because the water flows through. You could see the water as you pull the trigger for the water release. I'm quite happy with it. Very easy to operate. Here I am. I'm doing a living room, dining room. I'm going to do a family room and a set of stairs. I'll obviously use the Auric Orbiter on the staircase. And I will note, I have been using my cordless drill with the white brush on stairs these days. Incredible. I mean, the Auric does fine by itself, but if you want a really deep clean, pre-spray your steps with the Green Dragon, get your drill, go up to the top, and just go across, back and forth, and scrub it, and get the bull nose and the faceplate. Go all the way down the stairs, set your drill aside, then go back up and use your Auric. And I've been using the, oh gosh, I forget what you call those pads now, the flat pads. You'll see it in the video here. But the Swirly worked amazing. What I did was I did use a little bit of pre-spray, but I used the shower feed, and I used a Galaxy mop pad, which is a microfiber scrubbing pad. And I did pre-spot everything with my spotter kit. I went through, spotted everything, came back. I had the sprayer out for the stairs, so I did put a little bit of Green Dragon on the entries, and then I took my Swirly with the shower feed, and man, it distributes so nice. I think I got rid of my white 3M pads. I was going to use them, but there's that flat pad there, the one that's folded over. I used that on this living room, dining room. I have 3 extras, but on the other room, I'm going to switch to an Iron Man, only because I needed a bigger pad, a 17-inch pad on the 15-inch driver, so that I wasn't getting so close to the edge of the walls. But anyway, now that I lost my train of thought, the Swirly works great. Oh, I know I was talking about shower feeding. So I went through, did an even distribution. I kept checking it with my hands because this is a lived-in home. And then after I went through and distributed the Green Dragon through the shower feed method, I came back with the flat pad, or the, I think it's called a, oh my gosh, is it a Guardian pad? I don't know why I can't think of what the pad is. You guys chime in on the comments, those little flat ones. But anyway, yeah, there it is again. That's the one I used on the stairs. I've been using those on the staircase. Look at the dirt. Oh my gosh. And that's after using the drill to pre-shampoo it and then going over it with the Oric. Works incredible. And then in front of it there, you could see the Iron Man. That's a 17-inch pad that I used on the family room. So, and that was with the Swirly, obviously. And I did use the Galaxy, the scrub, microfiber scrub strip pad. But look at this. It came out beautiful. I don't know what I did with my before pictures, which is, I know, kind of crazy. I was going through the photo clips to see what I did with them, and I don't know if sometimes my phone has limited capacity, so I have to delete some of the older videos that I uploaded so that I can create a new video, and I think I may have deleted the before pictures, but trust me, they were really, really bad, and they came out really, really nice. So, and I did, on this job, I was in there, for an hour and a half, almost an hour and 45 minutes, which it did take me a little bit longer, but I'm trying out the new method with the shower feed and the pre-agitation, or putting the solution down through the tank. And you definitely will use less solution. It's just kind of a weird anomaly. But that's a good thing because the carpets were virtually dry when I was done. There's the stairs. And the stairs are a darker beige carpet, and I kind of brushed those just all one direction. But they did come out absolutely beautiful. And then the family room, which is here, carpets have a few buckles in it. But the Swirly just, it's really balanced and level. It just glides across the carpet. The pull pin, no more knob, bending down, screwing knobs, no more levers where you have to really push hard to get them to adhere and hold the handle up. Or like I did, I cut a dang mop handle off and shoved it on my Koblenz so that I wouldn't have to bend over. This thing, absolutely incredible. I found the position that I like. Look how great those carpets look. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to block with some of that really strong tape. I'm going to block the holes that I'm not going to be using, so that when I slide back, it'll just slide all the way back, pop right into where I want it, pop right back up. It's just really ease of operation. Look at that. Oh my goodness. So, like I said, I'm sorry I couldn't show the actual footage of me using it. I left that little tabletop tripod at the last job I did, so I got to swing back by there and pick that up. Also, being my first job, I wanted to make sure I had two hands on it in case something happened, or who knows what could go. You know what I mean? On your first run, you just want to be cautious. But so far, everything about it is, spot on. Damon designed this after hearing tons of feedback on all the other machines, all the problems, the weight, the handles, the everything. It's just, it is perfected. Perfected. At least for me, the way that I work. So check it out if you're interested. I'm not pushing anything on anybody. This is what I'm using. People always ask. It's competitively priced. You can get a 13-inch or the 15-inch like I got. And go from there. It is definitely a good machine. The custom logos are cool as well. If you are interested, you can support the channel and click on the affiliate link in the description. And I do get a small percentage from the sale, 3% to be precise. And you don't pay a dime more. You just be supporting the channel so that I could upload more videos, test more equipment for you, and go from there. So I do appreciate you watching the episode. If you like the Swirly, give it a thumbs up. Check out the Encapstore's YouTube page.